Are you looking for ski bindings for beginners? In this video, I will show you the 5 best ski bindings for beginners based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Salomon STH2WTR13. Skiing is fun. And it's that unmistakable feeling of fun that we pursue and build into every Salomon product we craft, so that each turn you arc, cliff you drop, skin track you step into, and peak you stand on top of delivers that same feeling and keeps you coming back for more fun. In a society where speed and stress have taken over, people take less time to connect with nature. We're here to create the next generation of gear and experiences, helping people get outside and take part in the progression of their sport. The 4th product on the list is the Salomon Lab Shift MNC13. Shift's long toe wings absorb maximum shock, with 47 mm of elastic travel, while delivering improved energy transfer and efficiency. Shift offers a pin toe design and full heel rotation for efficient touring. A convenient switch between ski and tour modes makes it easy to get to on-track lines. It holds the boot back when faced with bigger shocks and minimizes the risk of pre-release. The 3rd product on the list is the Tyrolia Attack 11 GW. The Attack 11 GW binding is a compact and safe binding for all mountain skiers who prefer control, performance, and easy handling. All Attack bindings provide the FR Pro 3-toe, improved stability, and an updated heel design. Now the heel can be adjusted faster and in an open position. Additionally, the binding comes with an improved AFD, which reduces friction and guarantees constant release values. Thanks to the improved AFD, it easily adjusts to different boot sole heights. The optimal height adjustment needs to be tested with a testing device for exact adaptation of the boot binding system and better performance on skis. The 2nd product on the list is the Look Pivot 15 GW. The freeride pivot ski binding sets the standard for control and release for the world's most dedicated skiers. Now available in a 15 DIN rating, the binding's durable aluminum toe piece and unique turntable heel design offer expert freeskiers a responsive connection between boot and ski for instant power transmission and precise ski control. It features powerful shock absorption and travels with confident retention and release for aggressive skiing. The colorful Forza 2 Zero Edition keeps the creative energy of free skiing front and center. The 1st product on the list is the Marker Griffin 13 ID. The Marker Griffin 13 ID is back, and it's better than ever. A great option for any advanced intermediate to expert level all-mountain skiers. Marker introduces the new ID sole technology, which allows the Griffin to be compatible with any boot sole, including alpine touring soles and grip walk soles. A couple of quick fine-tunes on the ID soles, and you're ready to hit the slopes. The highly movable AFD located in the toe piece allows for a smooth boot release without dirt, snow, and ice affecting the release. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.